Hello, welcome again. In this video you will find out 5 of the best camera gear you should have. Enjoy the video. And don't forget to subscribe and like the videos. Thank you.
Reach all your gear in 1.1 seconds. Introducing the Top Shelf Camera Bag. The first camera bag to give you full access to all your gear in one smooth, seamless action. For decades, camera bags have struggled to balance speed with access. After 5 years of prototyping and testing, we finally created the world's first open layout bag that gives you both. Just swing, click, and have all your gear ready at your fingertips. Top Shelf features a fast access latch that opens quickly when you need it and securely locks with a simple press. Don't worry about equipment falling out. It's the same system used to secure hoods in race cars, so your gear is safe. And if you want, zip it up for extra security. The bag swings into a flat tabletop position, creating a stable platform for you to switch lenses, bodies, batteries, filters, or cards. It also makes a great workstation in the field, and an impromptu stabilizer for video shots. Customizable dividers give you endless options to organize your gear, accommodating for the largest lenses and smallest accessories. Best of all, you can quickly switch between a sling bag and a backpack without Top Shelf ever touching the ground. Enjoy speedy access when shooting and even weight distribution when traveling. If you don't have time to switch, a side access door gives you fast access to preferred gear in backpack mode. Top Shelf also features a side pocket with a hidden laptop sleeve and phone slot, 2 additional front pockets for extra gear, and a hidden tripod strap for easy carry. Speed, access, security, stability. Top Shelf is everything you need and want in a camera bag. Back our campaign now and never waste another second reaching for gear again. We are Bevis Gear. We're adventurers and photographers just like you. We made Top Shelf to solve our own needs, but it's now expanding to so much more. We're ready to start manufacturing and just need the funds to make it happen. We promise to continue to innovate and create powerful solutions for your everyday problems. Thank you for supporting us. We couldn't do this without you. Order yours now and never waste a second reaching for gear again.
If you shoot photo or video, you know that lighting changes everything. That's why we created Tiki, the reactive, animated, and wireless DMX lighting system made for creators. Tiki brings DMX lighting technology used on big budget films, TV, and commercials to the palm of your hand at a fraction of the price. Okay, now imagine a powerful, wireless lighting system that's sleek, durable, weather resistant, and packed with animated effects, moods, and movie looks. Tiki will take your creativity to the next level.
Tiki's easy to use and the battery lasts the whole shoot.
Browse a library of animated and sound reactive effects triggered by your phone or DMX software. Instantly apply dynamic mood lighting, perfect for photography. Movie Looks features complementary foreground and background lighting palettes. Pixel Map allows you to develop color palettes and effects using photo and video pixel mapping. Or simply create a custom scene by addressing hue, brightness, and color temperature.
Tiki gives me awesome lighting setups in just a few minutes.
Tiki is bright with 700 to 1400 lumens of flicker-free, 90+ CRI rated light. We designed a convenient built-in end-to-end mounting rack for quick and easy setups. Tiki's long-lasting rechargeable battery gives you power on the go for 4+ hours, or simply plug it into Tiki's USB-C port. So right now, for a limited time only, we're offering 50% off only on Kickstarter. Back us today and save thousands of dollars on DMX lighting technology. Buy a creator kit to get a Tiki soft case and full accessories at no extra cost. Plus, we'll send you some awesome swag just in time for Christmas. Back our Kickstarter today and bring the creative power of Tiki to the world. We've spent several years collaborating with the smartest people we know to develop all the technology behind Tiki. Tiki is the product of filmmakers, engineers, and installation artists who've We've worked on projects for the Ridley Scott Agency, Vice, Star Trek, Samsung, and Unity. Back us on Kickstarter today and help us bring Tiki to the world.
This is a normal view in video conferences. So is this one. But what if you could have this view? Center cam changes the focal angle from screen edge above or screen edge below to the middle of your screen. Now you can see the person you're talking to while you're talking to them. Or you can read a teleprompter, like I am right now. Another reveal is I'm using center cam to make this video. Center cam is a fully adjustable middle screen webcam. If you Google middle screen webcam and nothing comes up, don't worry. It's because CenterCam has created a new category of webcam. Now you can put your webcam where you need it, and you can put your people back at the center of your tech. It's a simple solution to an important problem. CenterCam, a better connection.
Shooting cinematic footage is no longer just about image quality, but motion. inspire people to tell better stories and make professional videography available for everyone, anywhere, at any time. Bring the most versatile and affordable filmmaking tool into your hands.